Well, hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. I am really pleased to be wearing the green shirt today. The S&P 500 was up 1.5%. But even better for us, the holdings that we have in our portfolios, for the most part, did really, really well today. I would say that it is sort of like Wall Street has looked at what we have in our portfolios and decided to pour money in that direction. I've never seen anything like this. This is my 35th year in the business. The 4 days that followed the election this year were four of the best days I've ever seen. These are actually better, the last 2 days, at least so far. These numbers are incredible. I mean, for example, the genomics piece that we have in our portfolio is up 8.5% today. The innovative technology was up 7.9%. The clean energy was up between 6.2 and 7% today. These are incredible numbers. They're really hard to understand. I mean, again, to put it in perspective, the S&P 500 over a long period of time has averaged 11% per year rate of return. And some of these holdings have done significantly more than that in the last 2 days. So we'll see how this goes and see what happens. I will tell you right now, what is working is finding those areas that are moving really well right now, getting in front of those areas and staying there as long as they continue to move. And if they start to slow down, find the other place where the money is going and where it's starting to move. And that's been it. It doesn't always work. It's what they call momentum investing. Things will change, and they have. Over my 35 years, I've had to figure out all kinds of different ways to be an investor. This is what's working right now, and it is really, really working right now. Very, very pleased. So look forward to see what's going to happen tomorrow. Hopefully things can continue to roll. But what I described sort of at the end of last year, I did a couple of pieces of, hey, here's what's positive, here's what's possible in 2021, what seemed kind of fanciful at the time. We're doing better than what I had actually sketched out, at least so far. We're only a few days in. We have a long ways to go. Could be a horrible year for all we know, but I'm telling you, it's starting off really, really well, and I'm excited about that. So hopefully, again, vaccine works. Hopefully, creates unleashes the demand that's been sitting there waiting to go, and we still have zero interest rates. Those pieces are there. Got to keep focused on that vaccine. How's it being rolled out? Is it working? What other dangers are there in that arena? But altogether, right now, the market is very, very happy, and we're seeing just tons and tons of gains coming in, again, especially in the areas that we've got. So look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Let's see if this can continue. Thank you.